How to log in to HomeStreet Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your phone, desktop or PC. Then search for HomeStreet Bank and tap on the link that is on top, which is the official website of HomeStreet Bank. Now once you are in the website, just tap on the person's icon right beside the hamburger icon on top right corner. Right here, now select any of these options you want to access your account. For now, I'm just gonna tap on personal account. Okay, wait for a while until the page loads. Now here we go. You have to enter your user ID here in order to log in. So make sure you remember your user ID that you created for HomeStreet Online Banking. Then tap on Continue. Okay, now here you will be receiving one-time security code. So in order to log in, you have to enter that code so you can proceed further. For now, just tap on Continue with security code. Now select the phone number that you want to receive security code to. Now you can either select the option of call the selected number, or you can select the option of text the selected number. Once you select these options, just tap on Continue. Then after, you have to enter the security code that was sent to you. Okay, here we go. And at last, tap on Submit. Now in case if you didn't receive a text message, tap on the blue link which says I didn't receive a text message, and you can follow these procedures in order to recover your account and log in to your HomeStreet banking account. And that was it for today. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.